Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn a new sound and how we do it, okay? It is me saying it, then you copy, okay? So the sound is oh, oh, oh. So you make your mouth this shape and say oh, oh, okay? And these are the pictures of things that begin with an oh. Me first, okay? Oh, orange. This is a fruit. Oh, octopus. Oh, otter. This is an animal. Oh, ostrich. This is a bird. Okay, and I have a special friend, and it is a fruit, and it is orange. Do you like orange? Oh, I love orange. And superheroes, they always have oranges, okay? Because they want to be healthy. Right, this is our oh sound. This is what it looks like. Okay, the letter is O, but we say the sound oh, okay? So when you see this side, you say oh, and when you see this side, you say orange. Okay, ready? Oh. Orange. Oh. Orange. Oh. Good job. And this is our oh sound. Now we have learned two sounds. We have oh and k. So I'm going to show you one and you have to say the sound, okay? Ready? Go. Oh. Oh. K. Oh, good job. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you now, and you can see the oh sound. And you can see our blue arrow again, right? So we start at the top of the sound, and look, we have orange, super orange, flying around the page. Yes, so how do we form it then? Well, we have our magic finger. Pop your magic finger on the blue dot, and the arrow is telling us to come round this way. So watch me. We come round. Now this is like a curly K. This is the curly K, but we have to keep going all the way to the red dot. Okay, so magic finger in the air. So we come round like a curly K. Keep going all the way to the top. Yes, so we start at the top, come round like a curly K. Keep going all the way to the top. That's it. Well done. It does take practice, but you can do it. Okay, try it yourself. Put your finger on the blue dot or write it. Come round like a curly K. Keep going all the way round to the red dot. Excellent. Now, Red. Do you remember Red? Red likes to play games with us and he wants us to build words. So, can you say Red? Oh, Red. Here he is. Hello, Red. Okay, it's me first, okay? I'm going to say the sounds to make the word. What am I saying? Oh, on. Yes. Okay, it's me first. On. On. Well done. Do you want to have a go? Okay. Red. Oh, he's nibbling my ear. Red. Ready? Oh. Okay. Off. Off. Right? Yes, me first. Off. Good job. So today we were learning the oh sound, everyone. Keep practicing and I will see you soon for a new sound. Bye.